Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Can-Am RYKER 600 Ace. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 5,875 miles, and passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, both front tires at 5/30 seconds and the rear at 6/30 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. There's a blemish on the back of the front fender. This vehicle has 2 keys and comes equipped with ABS, reverse, a keyless ignition, and traction control. It's been upgraded with a shad saddlebag, an aftermarket windscreen, and a handguard. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.